Today we are looking at a day horizontal mixer. This unit has just come in as you see it. Unit is in good shape overall. The mixer dimensions are 78 inches from this point to the far point. The unit is 59 inches in height, and the width of the unit is 40 inches from this point to the far electrical box. This unit has a discharge height of 29 inches. Shipping dimensions on this unit are 80 inches from the outer edge here to outer edge there, 50 inches from outer edge to outer edge. This unit is 64 inches in height from the bottom of the skid to the top of the handle here, and the unit weighs 1,200 pounds. These are the shipping dimensions. The unit is equipped with a 7.5 horsepower three-phase electric motor that is dual voltage, 230 460 volt. This unit has been upgraded with a digital phase shifter. So you simply put your 220 volt in up top and your three-phase comes out the bottom. This is a very, very nice system. This system will draw 23 amps at maximum output. So you will need a 23 plus amp service to power this unit on single phase. Unit has a NEMA 1 electrical box. This unit has been brought in, cleaned, checked over. The unit is in great, serviceable, running condition. A look here at the lower sprocket shows that it is in excellent shape. Of course, the larger sprocket that sees much less revolutions is in excellent shape as well. We'll open the top here. Here's a look inside the mixing chamber. It has this nice approximately 4x4 steel grate for safety. And the unit has a very nice continuous ribbon. The unit is central discharge. Right down here, we will demonstrate that for you. You simply loosen this wing bolt here, and then you simply cam the circular door out of the way, and the unit discharges. Same for mixing. Close that, tighten that wing bolt up, and you're ready to mix your next batch. It does say right here it is important not to start the mixer before charging it. Excuse me, you need to have the mixer running before you fill the mixer. Do not start the mixer under load. This unit, as I said, is in really good shape overall. This unit has a mystified spray manifold on top. We left that intact. That was from the previous owner. As you can see, that has these spray nozzles in the mixing lid, the mixer lid, I should say. We're going to fire this unit up for you now. Here you can see we have this mixer running. This unit is rotating the proper direction. I want to make sure that you are following the rotational arrow. These digital phase shifters really bring these units into a new class. Really nice system there, very simplistic. This unit has a total cubic foot capacity of 12.69. That is the entire drum filled all the way to the lid, and it has a working capacity of 10.35 cubic feet. What that equivocates to at 50 pounds per cubic foot, which is normally what your cracked corn runs, is a 500-pound horizontal mixer. So this unit will easily do 500 pounds. That's the working capacity of this unit. You can get a little bit more in there, but that is the height to the top of the ribbon. This unit just hums right along, no irregular noises. Again, this phase shifter just really brings this unit into a new class. Just a very, very nice 500-pound small batch mixer or pre-ingredient blender. This unit has several applications in not only seed, feed, and cover crops, but industrial applications like liquid mixing, detergent mixing, aggregate mixing, things of that nature. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For mixers both large and small, please reach out to us. We have the world's largest inventory. Thank you so much for watching.